My name is Agutoinwal. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate database security part 2 of week 5 assignment. So will quickly share my screen and show you whatever things that I have done about this assignment for this assignment. So one thing I had done first was to create the email, to add the column and insert, and also update. This was the first step that I was supposed to do, but it went successfully. So you could see right here in the screenshot that this is the table. Yes, and there's a data, you can see them. This table is added, it was not there before. Yeah, so and everything worked out well. It is, and some of the code that I used to run this table, they are right here. You could see right here some of the code. You see, I also create the view before I also create other, like encrypted the file. And this show here, right, I created the view. You see my name on top of the code. And when I select, I could see some of the things here, right here. And also you see before I encrypt, now I encrypt, I can be able to see the data inside it. Yeah, these were some of the screenshots I do as I walk through. You could see the full content of the data before security protocols were applied. Yeah, this is when I was creating the users. So right there, after creating the users, I just want to show you some of the code that I have done. So you could see right here, this is a code I use to update the system. And I also use some code was shown to, and also to alter the table. I alter the table, create and name it. And this was the process that I've done in creating that thing. And I also create, encrypt. I mean, also create the users, encrypt the column, and also there are some and restrict some users so that they can be able, they cannot view, they cannot see the data, but they can see the content of the data of the data exactly, but they cannot see it into details. So right here, as the admin, so this was the one I set as admin. So you could see, I can see, come to the database, and while right here, if I right clicked, select, you can see, no, this is a wrong table. At the bullets, select, you could see the table is encrypted. But again, if I log in as a different user, you can also see that that user is as limited. You cannot see. They cannot see it. So right here, I logged in as I logged in right here. You could, let me expand here right a bit. So I logged in as the Carol, the programmer user, and I restricted him. So if I right click and select, you could see, you cannot see the content of the data. It's encrypted. So right here, and this is the view. The same principle that are applied there, they are also here. If I select, you could see the same thing. It is encrypted as I log in as a different user. And the same security protocols were applied very well. And these were some of the things that worked out well when I was doing it. So the column were created, and I grant him the privilege to be able to select, and I could see that now he cannot see some of the table due to the protocols. Yeah, now in question 4, so it talk about the security with classmate. So this is the cloud. So in this cloud, I updated, I backup the data and update the things, and it was all well. So you can see right here logging in as the server, in the server, Let me just close here. This is the server now. So you can see this is the server. So these are all the members, and this is mine. This is Loyal Bullying Development, and these are the view under it. And you could see the tables under it, and the same principle will apply. If I select using the view in the administrator, you can see that you can see that the same principle here can be applied in the system. They can also be applied. So the same protocols they apply. And there is something quite wrong. Yeah. Yes, right here. Yeah, the system is slow. I think my computer is a bit slow and it takes time to load. And this one has a lot of data. So you can see right here, yeah, as I right click, it is encrypted. It is also applied in the server. So as you see the security and you expand and see the role, the users, you could see that Bob Lwal, the soccer keeper, is right here as the user. And also these people, they are right there. And I can also, I logged in using the same account, and they were like, they were working out and they could not see the same information, the encrypted data. They cannot see it. And this means that the security protocols were working well. Even some of my friends were able to log in and they could not see the encrypted data. They proved it was right and working out well. And that was the demonstration about this week. Yeah, I have done all the assignment and they worked out well. And thank you for watching.